I think you're probably the best person I know to ask this to. But for a long time, I think everyone would agree that there were two major players in social media, Facebook and Twitter.
Yeah.
Both companies have obviously had their fair share of problems in recent years. Do you still think that lawyers or law firms or organizations should be using these platforms to get messages out about their firm or business or organization? Or should they be shifting their attention towards maybe other social media networks, or should they look sort of at like I don't know, just the media? Like how should
Right.
law firms get out these messages
Yeah.
about their firms?
I think social media is here to stay for good. It's certainly changing regularly. So, Facebook, I don't know if you've noticed, but like if you look on Facebook right now, finding content from your actual friends is difficult. So Facebook is so Facebook's constantly evolving and it's becoming much more of a paid distribution platform. So, I still think though there's a sizable audience on Facebook, depending on the type of law that you practice. Of course, Facebook also really channeled people to groups to kind of get people to engage in content from other people that may not be their friends. So that's an opportunity. But certainly for B2B firms, so for business law firms, LinkedIn's hands down would be the number one platform to be on. But for a consumer firm, I still think Facebook's very relevant and valid. It's just understanding how Facebook is prioritizing certain content, whether you have to pay to play in order to get your content seen, and what the strategies are. You can't rely on organic reach on Facebook anymore. That's just not going to happen. I do think, there's a factor of you still need, even though you might not be posting it, or you might not be getting the eyeballs on it that you want, but there's the factor of people will often, when evaluating a firm, will go to their social media feeds and see what they've been posting. So it is another kind of credibility check. Is this firm a reputable firm? What's it like, especially for hiring, laterals, all of that kind of thing? What do they talk about? What's their culture? That kind of thing. But you kind of just have to know what the different, because they're all evolving. I mean, gosh, Twitter is what in the world is Twitter right now? And then Meta came up with a Meta verified thing that they're going to roll out. So it really is sort of staying on top of what these different platforms are doing. But this is how we communicate nowadays. So although it does shift and evolve. So in other words, don't throw them out, but just more understand how they're changing and what's relevant for you. So Twitter, I'm still kind of just watching to see what happens. I don't know. We're going to just follow the Elon Musk train and see where it goes.
Yeah. Twitter for me is a scary place where I watch celebrities and people who have status above me fight with each other.
Oh, see, Twitter's like a political cesspool to me. Somehow my feed has become a toxic sludge to wade through.
I'm on Twitter to like follow other people. I'm not on Twitter to.
Right.
I think you get what I'm saying.
Yeah. Right.